So let's move to our index page. So here, so let's see what we have. So we have, so we will use the same thing. So we will have the K, and here we have, so let's change it from name to employee, and we need also dates and check-in and check-out. So we have check-in and check out. So what else we have? We have an action, and let's remove the other columns, so we don't need them. So next, what we have the loop. So let's uncomment this part. So let's move down and uncomment this part. So what we have here, so we have the K, so it's the same. So next we have the date. So let's display. But I think we don't not the date, so we have the employee. Okay, so let's keep the first and the last name and use the relationship to display the first and the last name. Okay, so let's use the relationship. So next we have the date, so let's change this from employee to attendance. And what else we need? We need, so let's remove, so we need the check-in and check-out. Okay, so let's add here attendance and here and change it here to check-in and check-out. So what else we have here? So we have the image here, so we don't need it. Department, so I thought I have removed everything, so I think I did not remove everything. So let's remove this, and for the links we don't need show. So we have here attendances, and here the attendance, and here attendances, and here attendance, and here attendance, and I think that's all. Okay, so let's save. So refresh the page, so we have only one now. So we have a message from the data table, so that means that the columns are not equal. So we have here the K, employee, check-in, check-out, and action. So we have, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have missing one for the date. So that is the problem. So let's refresh now. So now it's working. Okay, so let's try to add new attendance. So let's change it to date which is after the check-in. So let's save. So attendance created successfully. Let's try to update it. But I think we did not add updates yet. Okay, so let's refresh the page and try to delete. So we did not add the updates or the edit form yet. So let's try to delete and see if it will work or not. So let's hit the delete button. So are you sure you want to delete this attendance? So if we cancel, so nothing happened. If we say okay, so as you can see, attendance deleted successfully. Okay, so now we need to move to the update.